Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to unpin someone on Snapchat application. Now before we begin, make sure that you're well connected with your internet service and also make sure that you've updated your Snapchat application to the latest version. Now just a quick reminder, in case if you haven't pinned someone on Snapchat application, so unless and until if you don't pin someone, you'll not be able to unpin on Snapchat application. In this video, I will teach you exact method on how to unpin someone on Snapchat, and make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open your Snapchat application. So the home page or the interface looks something like this. Now on this following page, what you have to do is just simply tap on the chat icon, which is right at the bottom on the left side. So next on the other page, you will land inside the chat page. Now in order to unpin someone on Snapchat, what you have to do is just long press on the user ID. Now as soon as I tap on the certain person's user ID, down there you can see a pop-up window, and here you can see that on the second option there is chat settings. Just tap on it. So once again there is a pop-up window. Now on the chat setting you'll have an option such as unpin. Now all you have to do is just simply tap on the unpin button, and this certain person will be unpinned from Snapchat application. Now in case if you don't have an option such as unpin, so there is another method of how to unpin this person on Snapchat. Now as soon as you pin this certain person on Snapchat, so their profile icon or the profile ID or the chat page will directly load into the home screen. And here you can see that on the home page right on top there is the profile icon of this certain person that I've pinned. Now in order to unpin this person, what you have to do is just simply long press on the user ID. And as you tap on it, down there you can see two different options. Now from here what you have to do is just simply tap on remove from home, and this person has been removed from the home screen, as well as this person has been unpinned from Snapchat application. Now that is how you can unpin someone on Snapchat application. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.